Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the long stem rose flower. I have made 3 colors of flowers with stem. For this pattern you will need this type of yarn, cotton thread. This is a yarn art, 100% acrylic yarn, and you take 2 color of same color yarn and 2 mm crochet hook, craft needle and craft scissor. Let us start. First I am making the flower. This is this part of the flower. This is the leaf part. So you take your green color yarn and make one slip knot and make 25 foundation chains. Total I have 25 foundation chains. And then I have skipped the 3. Here I am skipping the very first stitch, 1, 2, 3 stitches, and go to the 4th stitch. You go the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. I have completed my first round, and then make 1, 2, 3 chain and turn my work and skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 single crochet and make 3 chain. Skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 single crochet. 3 chain, skip the next one, go to the next and make 1 single crochet. You repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the last stitches, 2 stitches. Here you make 1 slip stitch in the last stitch and cut the yarn. I have made this type of loops for next pattern. For next round you will need the second color yarn or thread. This is, I have used the red color. Now I am working in the loops of the previous round. Here you insert your hook and pull through yarn and make 1 slip stitch or single crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the same loops, make 4 more double crochet in the same loops, total 5 double crochet. Make 1 single crochet. And then go to the next space with 1 single crochet and make 5 more double crochet in the same space or loop. 3, 4 and 5 and make 1 single crochet in the same space. Go to the next space, make 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 single crochet. And you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my last round, and then you take your craft needle and insert the green color yarn and this is the back side of this flower, this is the front side, so you fold it in the back side. sew it. Your flower is ready, and you take for this type of stem, for this pattern you will need this type of thin metal stick, and you take your green color yarn, and you cover this stick with this green color, overlap your yarn in this stick, I have overlapped this stick with green color, and then you make one slip knot. Then you insert this stick in this flower, and your flower is ready. And this is the very simple process of this type of you can make this type of flower. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.